to turn off professional mode on Facebook and disabling professional mode on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to disable professional mode on Facebook. So first of all, just simply open your Facebook account, and after that just simply log into your account, and once you're there just simply go to your profile section from the top right corner, and after that just simply click on this three dot icon from the profile itself, and over there you will be able to see the option called turn professional mode on or off. Just simply tap on it. As you can see that in my profile the professional mode is already on, so in order to off it you just simply have to click on continue from the bottom of the screen, and now you have the tab which says turn off. Just simply tap on it and your professional mode will be turned off successfully. So this is basically how you will be able to turn off professional mode on Facebook. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.